Hey y'all, it's Meso here. Come on into my kitchen today. You're welcome in here. I was expecting you and I got something good for you. So I've got a dish that we're gonna make today and I think you're gonna love it because it hits all the points, honey. It is quick, it's easy, it is simple, and it is delicious. And so those are just the kind of recipes that we like. That's what we're gonna be making today. Come on, kitchen crew. Let's take a look at the ingredients and then let's get started. All right, let's go.
Look at this. It's not a meal, it's a wonderful snack. Let's see what we need to make this happen. We have some craisins, we have some pretty apples, and some pecan halves, and some almond bark. Now, I've washed these apples and I've dried them, and I am cutting them into thirds. Well, not exactly thirds, but hey, pretty much, huh? So I'm gonna do all of that. This is so great. This turned into a wonderful family project. We had a ball. It was so nice. The grandkids enjoyed it. Even Big Daddy got in on it. We really had a nice time. So here I've cut these apples up into the sizes that I want. They're not all the same size. They're different sizes. I have here a double boiler. I'm going to be using a double boiler method. I have two pans. I've got the pan that I'm going to melt the chocolate in, but you just don't want your chocolate to scorch. Look at these little squares. This is almond bark, and I'm going to put them in this boiler. Here I have in the bottom boiler, I have just a little bit of water, not allowing the water to touch that boiler. So I'm getting them in there because I don't want it to scorch. And so this is an excellent way to do it. I'll show you that water right now. See what I mean? A little water up under there, boiler sitting on top, and then I'm going to melt the chocolate. So here I have my pieces, and I forgot to tell you that I dried each one of these pieces where I cut them with a paper towel really well. If there's moisture on that apple, the chocolate will not adhere very well. And so I got mine kind of under lights. They've been laying out for a moment. Mine might not be quite as dry as I would like, but they're at home. Dry those apples just before you put it into the chocolate. Use some paper towels and make sure you dry. Look at that. Ooh, don't that look good? Okay, so the grandkids are in here. Even Big Daddy's in here watching, as I told you. And we're talking, we're laughing, having a ball. Oops, did I miss a little part? Having a ball, and everybody's going to get a turn at it. I'm just showing them how it goes. Oh, this is so nice. Smells so good. You know what's so good about this? This is a family moment, honey. And that's Big Daddy. That's Big Daddy's hands, honey. He's putting a little pecans on the chocolate. And also, you got to move fast because if you don't want your chocolate to set up before you want it to set up. You want to keep the chocolate in the boiler moving. It's warm. It will keep moving. And as you lay them out, now we have a fan on also. And as you lay them out, you want to get your chocolate and your craisins on top. Yeah, honey, make a moment with your family. This is something that they'll remember forever about my kitchen. They'll remember this even when I'm gone. So, hey, I'm showing y'all how to put this sugar on here. Got some powdered here sugar, and I'm just sprinkling it on. Oh, it's going to be so good. I am going to get Nicholas and see. Nicholas, you want to try this? Come on around here, honey. And take this little basket. Tap it on the side so you don't get too much powdered sugar out at one time. There he goes, honey. Go, Nicholas, go. Come on around, baby. Go, Nicholas, go. Get all the ones that I didn't get. Now, this fan is blowing, so it's got to make it difficult for him to sprinkle this chocolate, this powdered sugar, because it is blowing as he's doing it. But, honey, we're having fun. We're laughing. Come on, Nicholas. You got it. There you go. There you go. Me and Nicholas are wearing our matching bracelets, if you notice, honey. Go ahead. Oh, man. Everybody in on it. Look at that. It's pretty. It's not perfection, but it's so pretty, and it was so, so, so good. And it gave them something else to eat besides just candy and stuff like that. These are my favorite little guys right here. Hey, y'all. I appreciate you coming by to check on me today to see what I was doing. Now, you knew I would be throwing down. Even though I didn't make a meal, I hope I did not disappoint. I want to thank you guys for subscribing to me. Those that are not subscribed, please hit the red subscribe button, and then make sure you hit that notification bell until the parentheses come around it, because that way you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. I want you to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. share my videos wherever you're active on social media. And if you want to, you make one of my recipes, take a picture and upload it on Facebook. Let me see what you did and let me see your success. Yeah, that's right. I'm on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all of those platforms. Come over and give me some support and give me a follow. I'd really appreciate it. Hey guys, be good to yourself, be good to somebody, show your love, share your food. Bye bye.